Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to sign into your Facebook account. So the process is very much simple. First of all, we make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Facebook. Here we go. Then after, you have to provide your phone number or email address that you have given before while creating your Facebook account. Here I am going with my phone number. Then just below down your phone number, you have to provide your password as well in order to log in. Here provide your password, and after getting done, simply tap on this login option here in the middle at the blue box. Just tap on this login option in order to log into your Facebook. So simply this is how you can sign into your Facebook account. So hope this video helped you, and before you go, please like, comment and subscribe this channel as well. Thank you for watching.